Hello, I'm Cardmaster123, and I'm back with another cool interactive card trick. So pause the video, get your cards, and let's get started. So you're going to need 52 cards, and you're actually also going to need a piece of paper and a pencil or pen or marker or whatever. So this is going to be your choice for the first part. You're going to take out any number of cards between 5 and 20. So I'm going to take out 13 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And you can take out as many between 5 and 20 as you like. So then we're going to go through and we're going to count however many cards we put away. So I'm going to count 13 cards. If you put away 16, you're going to do 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And you're going to memorize that card. And what you're going to do is you're just going to write down the card that was there. So I had the Ace of Spades. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some spelling. So we're gonna do this in English, so follow along with me. So we're gonna spell ace, A-C-E. Don't mess up the order. 2, T-O-W. 3, T-H-R-E-E. 4, F-O-U-R. 5, F-I-V-E. 6, S-I-X. 7, S-E-V-E-N. 8, E-I-G-H-T. And 9, N-I-N-E. Then for 10, we're going to go T-E-N, J-A-C-K, Queen, Q-U-E-E-N, and then King, K-I-N-G. Don't need the rest of the deck. So now these, what we're going to do is we're going to alternate. So first we're going to go under, then we're going to go down, very down, under, 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 down. And you're left with one card. That card should be the card you wrote down. Alright guys, that is the trick. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications as well. And follow my Instagram, link in the description below. And join my Patreon so you can get access to videos, new videos, giveaways, cool stuff like that.